Hello friends, welcome back to the another video of JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we'll run our first JavaScript program and I will try to explain you all the JavaScript concept in a very simple way. Okay, so first of all, I have created a folder here. This is lesson 1 and click on this, and after that select all this and then write here CMD and then press enter. Okay, here type code, then space and then dot, and if you click on enter, it will redirect you to the VS Code if your VS Code editor is already installed in your computer. Okay, let's press enter and it takes some time. Okay, and we are now in VS Code editor and you can see here lesson 1 folder which we have created. Okay, so in this lesson 1 folder we'll create a file and write our code. So click on this new file and give a name here, suppose index.html. press enter. So first of all, we'll write the HTML code snippet here. So for that, I will use a shortcut here. So write here exclamatory sign and it will give you some suggestions like emit abbreviation. Okay, just click here and you can see the whole HTML code is here. Inside the head button, there is a title, and inside the body button, we'll write our JavaScript. So inside this body button, we'll write the script tag here. And inside this script tag, we'll write our JavaScript part. So in this video, we'll see how to print the output or show the output. Okay, in a various way. So first of all, let's see a alert. So alert is a built-in function in JavaScript. So you can see when I write AL, it gives me a lot of suggestions, and here is your function alert. Okay, so inside this function we can write some text here. Okay, suppose I am trying to write my name, Rajesh Gole. So you can see there is some red color below this title. Okay, that's because I have not include this inside quotation. So if you want to show some alert, so inside the alert function you have to write this text inside the quotation. Okay, so give here quotation and then close the quotation, and now we'll save the file using Ctrl+S. Now we can run the program in various way. In the below you can see go live button. If I click here, it will automatically redirect me to the web page. So let's see by clicking this go live button, and after a few seconds it will redirect me. You can see it started port number 5500 and I am getting a alert message here. Okay, another very simple way to run this program is that if you go to our folder, that is lesson 1, and inside this we have created a file that is index.html, and if we double click on this, then it will redirect to the web page. So let's click here and the alert message is showing. Okay, we can show the output in another way like document dot write, and inside this you have to give a quotation, and inside the quotation you can write any type of string, like I'm writing here input output campus. Okay, so let's give a semicolon here and save it. So if I go to our code, you can see the output is input output campus. So if I minimize this, so now if we change here like please subscribe, so please subscribe input output campus, then after saving this it will automatically refresh. So now you can see it is not saved, so that's why the white button is showing here. If we click Ctrl plus S, then it is saved and you can see the text is changed. That is, please subscribe Input Output Campus. Okay, we can also show the output using console.log, and inside this we can write any text here like join to our WhatsApp group. Okay, and if I save this, you can see there is no output, so I have to click here and then right click here, and then you can see inspect. So click on this inspect, go to the console, and you can see the message join to our WhatsApp group. So besides this console, you can see here source. So just click on this source, and then you can see here more tabs. Click here, and then you can see overrides, content script, and snippet. Then click on this snippet button, and then you can see new snippet. Just click here, new snippet. Then you can give any name of this snippet like first snippet. Then you can write here anything like console.log, and then inside this write a text, suppose my first snippet. Okay, so after writing this, you can see here to run this you have to press Ctrl plus Enter, or you can press here. So just press Ctrl plus Enter and go to the console, and you can see this is our output, my first snippet. You can see my first snippet is printed 2 times because first time I have click on this button, and second I have pressed Ctrl plus Enter. So here you can also print the output by using document.write. So write here my second snippet. Press Ctrl plus Enter, and you can see in the screen that the output is my second snippet. So in this way you can directly execute your JavaScript code through this snippet. So I can also change the style of this output. So just write here h1 and close the h1 tag, and then press Ctrl Enter, and you can see my second snippet. So you can create here multiple snippet by clicking on this new snippet. Okay, and to delete the snippet, just right click on it and then remove it. You can see the various options: run or rename, save as. Okay, you can change the name. So this was the very basics of the JavaScript, that how we can print our output or show our output on the screen. So hope you understand the concept. Okay friends, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to Input Output Campus, and please press the bell icon to get the notification first when I will upload a new video. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.